Confused between melanin, melatonin, and melittin. One gives you color, one helps you sleep, and the other comes from a bee's sting. Melanin. Type: pigment, biopolymer. Produced by melanocytes, skin cells. Location: skin, hair, eyes, inner ear, brain in small amounts. Function: provides color to skin, hair, and eyes. Protects against UV radiation by absorbing sunlight. Types: eumelanin, brown/black. Pheomelanin, red/yellow. Medical relevance: deficiency, albinism. More melanin, higher UV protection. Let's understand melanin, the pigment that gives color to your skin, hair, and eyes. Melanin is produced by special skin cells called melanocytes. These cells are located in the lower layer of the epidermis. One of melanin's most important roles is to protect your skin from harmful ultraviolet, UV radiation. It does this by absorbing and scattering the sun's rays. There are different types of melanin: eumelanin, which is brown to black, and pheomelanin, which is red to yellow. The amount and type of melanin you produce determines your skin tone. People with more melanin have darker skin and better natural protection against sun damage. Low melanin levels can lead to albinism, a condition where the skin, hair, and eyes lack pigment and are more sensitive to the sun. Melanin isn't just found in humans. It's also present in animals, birds, and even fungi, where it plays protective and structural roles. So in short, melanin is more than just color. It's your body's natural sunscreen. Melatonin. Type: hormone. Produced by pineal gland in the brain. Secretion trigger: darkness/night. Function: regulate circadian rhythm, sleep-wake cycle. Promotes sleepiness at night. Acts as an antioxidant. Medical uses: treats insomnia, jet lag, sleep disorders. Influenced by blue light from screens reduces melatonin production. Body's natural sleep hormone. Melatonin is produced by the pineal gland, a small pea-sized structure located deep inside the brain. Its main job is to regulate your sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. It tells your body when it's time to rest. Melatonin levels naturally rise when it gets dark, usually at night. Darkness signals the brain to release melatonin, which makes you feel sleepy. Because of this, melatonin supplements are often used to treat insomnia, jet lag, and other sleep disorders. But that's not all. Melatonin also works as an antioxidant, helping to fight cellular damage. In animals, it plays a role in seasonal reproduction too. Melatonin is your internal nighttime signal, helping you rest, recover, and stay in sync with the natural day-night cycle. Melittin. Type: peptide, toxic protein. Source: bee venom, Apis mellifera. Proportion in venom: 40 to 60% of dry venom weight. Function: destroys cell membranes, causes pain, inflammation. Activates phospholipase A2 inflammatory chemicals. Effects: causes burning pain and swelling after bee sting. Hemolytic: damages red blood cells. Medical research: studied for anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial effects. Still experimental. Risk: can cause anaphylaxis, severe allergic reaction, in sensitive individuals. Melittin overview. Aspect description: type: peptide, 26 amino acids. Source: bee venom, Apis mellifera. Proportion in venom: 40–60% of dry weight of bee venom. Nature: amphipathic, both water and fat soluble. Charge: positively charged, cationic. Biological actions of melittin. Effect description: cell membrane disruption, forms pores, leads to cell lysis, bursting. Pain and inflammation, stimulates phospholipase A2, releases prostaglandins and histamines. Antimicrobial, kills bacteria, fungi, and viruses by breaking their membranes. Cytotoxicity can destroy cancer cells in lab studies. Hemolytic activity destroys red blood cells if not controlled. Medical uses, experimental and traditional. Use notes. Cancer therapy targets cancer cell membranes selectively. Under research. Anti-inflammatory investigated for arthritis, multiple sclerosis. Antimicrobial agent broad-spectrum potential, but toxic in high doses. Venom therapy used in traditional medicine, especially in Asia. Risks and toxicity. Highly toxic in large doses. Causes. Pain, swelling, redness. Allergic reactions, including anaphylactic shock. Not safe for self-treatment or casual use. Let's break down the difference between melanin, melatonin, and melittin in a simple comparison. First feature type. Melanin is a pigment. Melatonin is a hormone. And melittin is a peptide toxin found in bee venom. Second feature. Origin. Melanin is produced by skin cells. Melatonin is secreted by the pineal gland in the brain. And melittin comes from bee venom. Third feature. Function. Melanin provides color to our skin, hair, and eyes, and protects us from UV radiation. Melatonin helps regulate our sleep-wake cycle, making us feel sleepy when it's dark. Melittin causes pain and inflammation by destroying cell membranes. That's why a bee sting hurts. Fourth feature. Medical use. Melanin is studied in relation to skin conditions like vitiligo and melanoma. Melatonin is widely used in sleep therapies, including for insomnia and jet lag. Melittin is being researched for cancer treatment and fighting infections, though it's not yet approved for regular use. Fifth feature. Danger. Melanin is completely safe. It's naturally in our bodies. Melatonin is also safe in low doses, especially in supplements. But melittin can be toxic and allergenic, especially for people allergic to bee stings. Conclusion. So remember, melanin equals pigment that gives us color. Melatonin equals hormone that helps us sleep. Melittin equals bee venom toxin that causes pain. Same sounding names, very different roles.